Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland having a real good old play in the art room today. I've been just testing out things. This is something that wasn't successful, but so I'm going to just show you what I do if there's something not successful, that I just push on with it. So I will just try and rework this piece and see if I can get anything nice out of it. I mean, the easiest way, if there's something that you don't like, is to just scrape it basically. But I thought I'd leave those colours there and see if I put white over it, if I could actually get it as a nice background for something that I could do. Would be good. The colours are beautiful. So I think there's a viridian green and gold in there. Kit was that. Nothing special, but I'll see if I can blow that paint out without getting into too much of a mix. Sorry, that's very noisy, but it is very noisy. I'm just going to leave that as exactly how it is and push on with some other colours. Has yeah, the white is a little bit thick, so I might just put some water in it to thin it down a little bit. So I always keep some water here, so I'll just pour in a good dash of water because it is very thick. Making up 1 litre bottles of your sort of most used paints is always a good thing, so you haven't got to keep making them up each and every time. Let's see how this goes. See if I can get a thinner paint on there. Yeah, that's a bit better, but it still could do with being thinner for a Dutch pour, but I don't always use this particular paint for a Dutch pour, so I'm not going to thin it anymore. I'll just see how we go. That's absolutely fine. So I am going to do, this is the, well, it was my berry delicious, but it's not as red as I normally would do it. So it's a cool red, phthalo blue and a dash of black, but that looks as though I added way more blue to this phthalo blue than I would normally. Which way shall I go? I might do a there and a over that way, and then I'll go with my, I think this was cyan blue, C-Y-I-N. I think it's just a kind of a sky blue, I suppose, I guess. And then I'll put some red. This is just the cool red. I think I will leave it at that. Red, green and blue. I'm asking for trouble, but anyway, asking for trouble. Let's see how we go. Might turn to mud. that's a surprising turn up for the books. That was here, there and everywhere. It needs a bit more paint blown over this end, and probably just to get the very edges, just pour a bit of your paint, I guess, and to cover my edges. The composition is a bit off, I think, but the colours are absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I love that, how that green has come up in there. So I might add a little bit more green here to blow off down that way. Yeah, it's not real flash hot. I love the colours. Oh, I can't get in to blow that. I don't know how the girls blow that. Everybody hates me using my straw, but I just don't like. That's actually quite nice, eh? It's quite nice. Look at those cells. Colours are beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think the composition is completely off. But the colours and the cells are gorgeous. It needs to be done on a bigger canvas to get it to fully blow out and have a real good look at what I can achieve with that. So, but that's, I'll bring you down so you can have a look at it close up. I'll bring you down. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's very nice. Just those cells, incredibly gorgeous. The colours are gorgeous too. I thought that would turn to mud for sure, but it's really held up lovely. Very nice. Look at this. Looky, looky. Oh, there's a dolphin there, look. Wow. There's, wow. Okay, well, that's my effort for today. The composition is not good. I might stand back, have a think about it and try to change it or leave it. I am not sure. I just think if I try and go in and blow it, it'll just cover the whole canvas. And I did want some negative space. I'm not a lover of negative space, but I did want some. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Please take care, you lovely people. Let me know what you thought of this crazy one. I'm going to go and get a larger canvas, and I'm actually going to have a go again with those colours because I love, love, love the colours, and I'm going to think a bit more about the composition on a larger canvas. It's easier, I believe. Otherwise, you just cover your whole canvas in colour, which is absolutely perfectly fine. Okie doke. Till tomorrow. Bye for now. Here she goes again. Not happy with this composition on that, so I'm going to just see what I can do to change it. Here's my balloon. Oh, there's my balloon. Okay. Probably looks good. Ooh. This away. Up. Looks better that way. It's coming up there. And I will do some rolls. Because I just knew that if I actually blew this with the hairdryer, I would just blow off all the paint. So I'm using my trusty little balloon that's filled with water to literally drag some paint around and roll in it to give it a whole different look. It's not balloon kissing, it's, I suppose I call it balloon embellishments. don't know, is that looking any better, people? I just think it needed to not be so chunky. This is okay because it splits off, but this just needed some fiddling, I believe. And I love messing with the balloon. I do. That's a bit thick there, so you can take some of that paint out by kissing the balloon in it. You can see, and wiping your balloon off each time. So got some little kisses in there. Oh, it's got a bit of everything, hasn't it? It definitely is a Dutch pour and more, this one. Oh, those, look at those. Oh, they're gorgeous. Gorgeous. Here she goes again. I know what you're saying. Remember, your art room, your rules, your way. I am really happy with that. The more I'm fiddling, the more I'm enjoying, the more I believe it's coming to life. The rolls, the slides, the kisses on the canvas, they just create movement and depth, and I love them. And that's it, my art room. So again, until tomorrow, bye for now.